Hi there, this is your humble guy, Roy Umurotu. So today I just want to give you some tips on investing. So let's just dive into it. If you want to invest in a company, there are three things you need to look out for. One is the fundamentals, not just of the company but of the country you are in, the country that the company is. So if a company is publicly traded, that means macro events in the country that it is situated, where it is located, will actually affect the company. So fundamentals is very important if you want to invest in a company. The policies of the country in which the company is situated in affects the company's health. The economic policy affects the company's health. So fundamental is one very important thing you need to look at. So fundamentals, these are macro events, like if the country central bank is going to raise interest rates, that's going to affect your investment. So some of the fundamentals you need to look out for is the interest rates, the country's GDP, inflation, and exchange rates. That is currency exchange rates. So you need to look at these things if you are planning to invest in a company. Then another thing you need to look out for, which is also very important, is the company's financials. This one is crucial. You have to do proper research in the company's finances, their revenue, their dividend, their operating cost, their balance sheets, their debts to capital or debt to equity ratio, their assets and liability. You need to go deep into all these financials of the company, so that you know if the company is actually healthy, if the company will actually give you good return on investment. And then the last thing you need to do is your technical analysis. You have to look at the numbers, you have to look at the graph. These are the three important things you need to look at before investing in a company: the fundamentals, the financial reports of the companies, and then the technical analysis. These are three crucial things you need to know before investing in any company. So for the fundamentals, you have to be very current with business news. You have to listen to business news, and you have to follow the CBN. Look for their official website and read about their news. If they are dropping any news like interest rates, or if they are giving banks orders or doing anything like that. Then for the financial report, you have to check the website of the company you are planning to invest into. Public Publicly traded company usually drop their financial reports. They drop quarterly financial report to yearly financial reports. So you can check their website, and then you can check other websites like Financial Times, investing.com. Now for the technical analysis, you have to use tools like your Trading View. So you can use Trading View, you can use MetaTrader, and there are some other ones out there that you can as well use. I'm sorry about the background noise. I'm actually outside, very close to the road, so the noise you are hearing is from vehicles that are passing by. So these are the few tips I want to share with you today. I hope you've learned something. See you next time.